Hello everyone, my name is Sourav Maity. Today we are going to start with our third lesson of the course, that is HTML elements. Today we are going to read about the basic description of the course, how HTML elements are defined, what are the different kind of tags that we use, what are the procedures that we must follow in defining our code or writing our code, and what are case sensitive elements or tags that we use. So let's start with our course. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and end tag with the content inserted in between. You have read this before or seen this before in the previous examples that I've used. Like we started with a heading tag h1, then we write this is a heading, then we close it with a forward slash h1. So it's like tag name, content goes here, then again forward slash tag name. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. What's the element? P. This is my first paragraph. P tag close. So this complete letter or the line is the HTML element which is used to define. So this is important as a theory perspective also. This can be used in your theory classes over in college if you are in a college student. So let's read about nested HTML elements. What are nested HTML elements? The basic term nested means, what's the definition of that? Let's see that. Nested means many parts consist inside that, like a nest of a bird, so it has many parts consist inside of that. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. How a document is made? Let's see that. A document consists of various tags, and inside that tags another tags are contained. So a pair of these tags and collaboration of these tags make a HTML document. Let's see with this small example. This example consists of 4 HTML elements. Let's see how. HTML tag, that is used to start the document. After that we use the body tag. Inside the body we write the main content. We use the h1 tag, my first heading, forward slash h1 means this tag is closed. P tag, my first paragraph, forward slash p, this means this tag is closed. After that forward slash body, this tag is closed. Forward slash HTML, this tag is closed. So total 4 HTML elements are defined: HTML, body, h1, p. So total 4 HTML elements are used in this document or example. So this is used how HTML elements work and what are the various uses of HTML elements. And always remember that these elements are the most important. Using these elements, content is displayed in your website and the code is completed. The browsers don't read the tags and they read only the content. We have seen this before, and only my first heading and my first paragraph will be displayed in your browser. You can try this code over your browser and see how HTML tags are used. So moving forward, let's do this. Do not forget to end the tag. Why it's important? It's important because not ending is not a good procedure. Always ending a tag is a good practice. So always, like in coding, we don't leave any step so that anyone can make a mistake, pull out a mistake of that. So always end the tag that you have started in case of double tags. In case of singular tags, we will be reading forward about this. We don't end a tag. So remember this in mind. In singular tags we don't put the ending tag, and in double tags we start a tag, we close a tag. So some contents might not be displayed if a tag is not closed. Like HTML tag is the most important. Without closing the HTML tag, your code will not be written completely and it will not be displayed. So you have to write like this: HTML tag starting and HTML tag closing, and it is a good practice. So but even we have seen in HTML that even if we don't close some tags, they are displayed rather than it should show a mistake, but they display some contents. Like in this document we see HTML tag after that body tag is used, after that p tag is used. This is a paragraph, but this is not closed, so after that we use p. This is a paragraph and this is also not closed. After that we use body tag, after that HTML. So when you run this in your browser, you will see the difference that you haven't closed these tags, but still the document is running. This should show a mistake, but in real world this works. So this is the one of the uses of the HTML that you should see. But in theory you should not try this, because this will lead to the deduction of your marks, and your college teacher may not find it a good practice. So always write and end these tags that are double. HTML consists of two tags that I told you before, the singular tag and the double tag. Empty HTML elements are the singular tags. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. Empty elements, why? Because they have simple single tags, and in complete element we have double tags, that is starting and closing. So BR is a single tag. Let's read about BR. BR means a break tag which without a closing tag. So BR gives a line between two lines of your content. And HR is for horizontal tag. It is also a singular tag, so you can use HR also. This will display a horizontal single line between two paragraphs. So you can try BR and HR in your web browser and see how the display is changed with using these tags. And now let's read the last topic of our today's lesson. Use lowercase tags. HTML tags are not case sensitive, but we always define using smaller case. So this is a good practice, always using the smaller case. And this was all the topics that we have covered in our today's lecture. Let's give a summary again. We read about HTML elements, how HTML elements are used. We read about how nested HTML elements use, how the singular tags are used, empty HTML, about the empty HTML elements, and use of lowercase tags to display our content. So these were the topics that we have covered, and further we will cover next lessons in future. So subscribe to my page, and thank you for being with me. If you have any doubt, so you can comment in the comment section and ask me. Thank you.